at the bus, we need to open up all the windows, the sky, emergency doors and everything. Here comes Amber right here. And
it's not that hot.
get rid of all this junk today. Yeah, I know. Rip the plywood off, and that's all we're gonna be doing for today. So time lapse. Okay, so when you buy your bus and you try to open this emergency exits, there's a little metal piece right here, right there. It's like a switch. When you open the hatch, it tells the driver that one of the emergency doors is open, so you can come check it out or something. The problem is that as I was doing this and I opened the little hatch and the buzzing sound started, but we have to keep that open for airflow because we're super hot in here. I started unplugging all the cables I could find from here, and I unplugged all these cables right here from this thing, and I don't know how it goes. I don't know what the heck. So if you're gonna unplug anything in your truck, in your bus, highly suggest you take a picture or at least label it or something. Well, it didn't shut up, and then I tried to follow the buzzing sound. I mean, we got the same bus I got, or if they're built the same way, the buzzing sound comes from right here. So what I did, I caught this cable right here and this cable right here. Probably can't tell, but that ended with the buzzing sound, and that was it. Let me see if I can open this one now, and it's also not buzzing. Yeah, now we got air. Can open this up, and we're good. We're good. So this right here is a water heater, and I figured since we're not gonna use this type of water heater, I was just gonna cut through this hose right here. But then that Kool-Aid started like leaking out, and we have no idea what it is. We have no idea what to do with it now.
Help!
Yeah, we need help. What to do is follow this hose. Goes over there, but then goes under here. We're probably gonna have to remove all this thing, but then we got all this electronics and stuff, so I have no idea what to do. This is way harder than I thought it would be, and it sucks. But we ain't quitting. So let's go around the bus, try to see if there's an opening on the other side or something. Let's see what we can do about that. Maybe we can find something right here in the engine. Let's go around. Ooh, they're right here. Okay. So I probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, so we figured that Kool-Aid is actually transmission fluid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this shoulder right here and cut over here in this big hose, and we're gonna loop it so that it's like a water heater was there, but now we're just closing it up because we're gonna use a wood what? Wood burning stove. We're gonna put it somewhere in the bus for our heating, so we're not gonna need that heater system, but we do need to loop this.
Oh, it's leaking.
Put the bucket out here. Yeah, that's better. Alrighty guys, so as I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't record anything on the actual loop on the heater, so I figured I'd just come here and show you. So this is exactly what I did. This is the shoulder that I got from the pump, and I just connected these two hoses together to create a loop. So the whole transmission fluid is just like in a loop going over and over again, which is exactly what it was doing on the heater. So it's just a little shorter right here. And then this thing, I just hide it right here so that this can close on top, and that's it. That's the loop connection. It wasn't really complicated. You guys can do it as well.
There goes the flooring. Are you gonna do this, baby?
Oh.
Ah!
It's kind of weird.